Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as always. Today I want to show you some goodies I picked up at a recent Ollie's trip I made. And once again, I want to thank my longtime viewer Bruce. I really appreciate you letting me know that they had some new kits in stock. So, the wife and I went out there over the weekend, and this is it. This is what we got. I come home with two of these Ram Charger, the dragster transport truck combo. Two kits in one. Thought that was a great deal. And then Pontiac GTO Super Stock. Pretty nice. I believe this is the same kit. When I looked at the side of this, I believe this is the same kit that was the clear-bodied David Pearson NASCAR from the early 70s. I'll put a picture of it right here so to show you what I'm talking about. I think that's the same kit, but obviously the body's probably most likely molded in a color of some sort. I don't know what it is yet. We'll find that out during the unboxings. Picked up two of those. Picked up two of these 68 Cornet convertible kits. Comes with a little trailer. Thought that was pretty cool. And the Monte Carlo Super Stocker. They only have one of those in stock, so that's all I got. And Tommy Ivo's rear engine dragster there. That's an AMT kit, which I thought was interesting. Along with Peterbilt 352 pacemaker cab over, also an AMT kit, which I thought was really cool because for a while there I was thinking that Ollie's is only carrying the MPC kits, but they do have some AMTs, and I know that they had some Revell kits also. So it's pretty cool that they're putting out a lot of nice stuff. And stay tuned for the unboxings to come along in the next few weeks, all the way into next year, I'm sure. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I thank you all for stopping by. And as always, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's keep this channel going. Thank you, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful holiday. And be safe out there. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.